Hey y'all, welcome back to the DeBergerac Channel. This is Jim, your humble host. It's 2018. We're at LMC Boatyard. I'm going to show you what our newest project is. We have to finish up a couple things from last year. We'll be finishing the Hillsborough condo. We'll have another video showing you that completed. This is going to tie in. We're going to be working on both jobs simultaneously. So let's go take a look and see what we got going on. Okay, so we're in the main salon. This is an alloy yacht. If you're familiar with them at all, it's an extremely high quality vessel. Fit, finish, and the attention to detail is incredible. So one of the first projects that we're going to be working on, get started on, is we're going to make this cabinet bigger, which virtually means getting rid of this cabinet from the wall and creating something that goes basically from this side to this side, floor to ceiling. We'll be bringing the ductwork out. So we need to keep the same basic concept, style, look, so it matches the boat, but it needs to be bigger. This cabinet actually holds a lot of the glassware and items now. So we'll be kind of duplicating this. We'll be getting more storage in it. So that'll be an interesting project. We'll have a separate video and instructions and everything neat that we do. This will be its own video for you all to watch. All right, so now we're in the wheelhouse, and this is a smaller project for us, but we still have to go through and take everything apart, and all of the padding in the entire wheelhouse has to come out. It's going to get all reupholstered, all the pieces as they come out, which our company's not doing that. That's going to go directly to an upholstery company. We'll be responsible for taking everything out and putting it all back in after it's upholstered. So it's a couple days worth of work to get this completely stripped and ready for the upholstery company. Fun stuff. Project number 3. So see this really cool room I'm in? This is one of the guest staterooms. And if you'll notice, there's 2 twin beds in here. There is a closet. It's very important to have one of these. And then, up this direction, there's actually a bathroom over here with a shower, all of the fixtures, everything in it. So you're all going, Jim, what do you got to do in that room? I don't have anything to do in this room. I have a perfect mock-up for the next room. Let me show you what we really have to do. So you see the way this room looks? We're going to come over here. When the boat's underway, this side is used as a storage room. As you can see, all the outdoor cushions are in. All the bicycles are down in here. Right now they're in the midst of getting everything out of this room. Now that they're back at the dock and we're going to be working in the yard for a number of months. This room has to look like the room I just showed you. If you'll notice, there's no closet. We're missing a closet over here. There's no beds. There's no leather in here. There's a bit of stuff to do. But it gets more involved. We don't really have a bathroom over here. We have a storage area. What's a really good storage area for a lot of different stuff. We have a wine cabinet on this side, which is where the shower is going to go. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff to do. The head's got to go over here. The sink has to go in this area. I guess we'll be all right. We just get that stuff done. So you'll have a first-hand seat at seeing how we pull this all off. We're going to make a separate video out of this section as well. Probably we'll have one for the head when that's being worked on, one for this area. We'll have demo, we'll do everything. So y'all are going to know what it's coming out like. Well, it's 2018. We've got a lot of good stuff planned for this year. We've got a lot of changes happening. We're going to be putting new equipment in the shop, changing some things around, and making it all more interesting for you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. We'll talk at you all soon. Thanks for watching. Make something cool.